Right down here below Charles Bridge, they got a boat trip. See, there's a boat going out right there. Boat tour right below Charles Bridge. Let's go. Let's go. Got a bar too. We're on the boat tour, 250 crowns, about $10, 10 euros. Charles Bridge.
I wonder what these little things are here.
That's jumps for jet skis. You jump right over the bridge. Good idea. That's a good idea. Who had this idea? Your boy right here. They just agreed to go along with it.
Hey, just want you guys to know we've been planning this for like 9 months. It's been a long time coming.
That's true. We're finally out here.
Hey, you guys saw what we did in Poland last year, Romania.
Check the vlog.
Oh, yeah. Especially the Romania one.
Transylvania. That was good. Got the Budweiser Hotel.
I don't know if I got any Bud Light.
We're heading back. Well, that does it for the boat tour. We're stopping over here at a different bridge, the one past Charles Bridge. I'm not sure why we didn't go over there, but here we are. Yes, let's head up. Old Town's over here. Our place down that way. All right, that's it. Heading off the boat. Go check out some more scenes of Prague. So, was it worth it for $10? Yes.